All right, hopefully this video is pretty short because, well, we didn't do circles that long ago. So where's the center? Right here. Point X. What's an example of a radius? Well, XA, XC, XB. A diameter, AB. Kind of marking this up, so let me erase. A tangent. So remember, a tangent is a line that touches once, BD. Got to mark it as a line. A chord is just a segment that goes from one side to the other. So we've got AB as a chord, BC. And if you were just talking about AC, you could use that too. If you're just talking about the part of the circle. And a secant is a line that goes through, but not the middle. Okay, what shape do we have here? That's right, we have a right triangle. Take the square root of that, you know from the last video, 117. These are equal, so we just make them equal. These are equal, so we just make them equal, and we solve. All right, here, if we have an angle that goes from one side of the circle to the other, its arc is double. This time we have to get a little creative. The whole circle is 360, which makes this 140. They want us to find B. So our angle is going to be half, or 70. Here, just kind of getting creative. You got to see that this angle and this arc, so half. So Z's 85. 90 matches up with this, so that's 90 divided by 2. But what would this one be? Well, the whole thing's 360. This remaining part has to be 100, which makes y half of that, or 50. Okay. Keep it going, keep it going. All right, BAD is 110. It wants us to find DE. Well, I know this is a diameter, so this half is 180. So this is 180 minus 110, which is 70. Now it says AB is 72. So what's angle ACB? Well, it's going to be the same, 72. The center is always x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, which equals r squared. So remember, this is just the opposite of what you think it should be. So center is at 5, -1. Take the square root of this to get you your radius, which is 9. Write this in standard form. Okay, well, x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 4 squared. X minus 0 squared is just x squared. Y minus 0 squared is just y squared. And r squared, 980. Now, I don't think this is on your final, but let's talk about it anyway. We need to find the distance from the center, which is at 0, to a point, which is at 5. So we have the distance formula, which is y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. So 0 minus 0 squared plus 5 minus 0 squared. So that's 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So there's our radius. Center's at 0, 0, so you get x minus 0 squared. Y minus 0 squared equals, well, 5 squared, 25. Our center is going to be at 4, -1 with a radius of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. I just count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then through the power of the iPad, there we go. All right, so that's circles. Short, sweet, to the point.